In Wien, Prime Minister Boris Johnson remains in intensive care at a hospital in London, but is resting normally after being found to have COVID-19. The United Nations Labour Organization estimates 195 million full-time jobs could be lost during the COVID-19 outbreak as businesses are forced to close worldwide. Kenya increase restrictions to fight the new coronavirus. Travel is banned in and out of a capital, Nairobi and other cities. And in Australia, clergyman George Bell is released from prison after Australia has court accused him of child sex crime.